Today, friends stop by in cars, I drive around in cars, we test the car's exhaust, and a dash cam gets installed, you guessed it, in a car. That's f***ing awesome. So today I have a special delivery coming from the one and only sneaker king of ATL, Harrison. He and I are figuring out some new things. So Harrison came by, he dropped off some stuff, we chatted a bit, I didn't film it, and then he left. We also have Dion stopping by today to pick up a couple more things. In any case, I will check in with you later.
A few moments later.
Heard something come into the driveway.
Oh yeah, it's Dion. So Dion came by, he chatted for a bit, we hung out, I didn't film it, and then he left. And that was my exciting day. It's that vlog life. What's up, everybody? It is a beautiful day here in Atlanta, and I'm going to just drive around, just get out of the house, enjoy the weather in the convertible, and take you along. Because I have my kid's seat in the back, I don't have the windscreen in, but the Maserati is pretty good about wind. Like, you can hear me right now. It's not too bad with the side windows up. So sometimes I have the side windows down, but I think it's just a little more practical, especially given the fact that I'm trying to talk to a camera right now to have those up. A little more immersive though with them down. Rolling around the neighborhood here and saw there are some folks here at Eurofed, and I think our friend Harrison might be here. I saw a glimmer of his car, so I'm gonna check it out. Eurofed just opened this Buckhead location recently. So driving around, just spotted some cool cars, cool colors. Thought I'd stop by. Eurofed is right around the corner from my house here in Buckhead, and a bunch of great guys. They work on a lot of exotics and imports in general. So we're here at Eurofed, checking out Harrison's car. I thought I saw it, and they're working on exhaust again. Weren't we just working on your other exhaust?
Yeah, we don't want to talk about it. It's right there.
Is that the old exhaust? That's the old exhaust, which is actually the second exhaust, which was crazy loud. Folks in his building complained, so he couldn't even keep it. And now we're putting on, which one now? Fabspeed. Look at all that dirt. Get that B-roll. You know. So Harrison just got his exhaust installed, and we'll take a listen for the first time as it comes out. Are you headed out right now?
We're gonna go drive up and down, and then I'll be done. We'll be going in.
See what this thing sounds like. Oh man, those people hate you right now. Are you gonna go rip around or what?
Little, not much. There's probably a cop waiting over there, so
So after we ensured that Harrison's exhaust was not too loud and not too quiet, I took the long way back home and enjoyed the weather in the convertible. Until the next day. Today we have Emron from Cartoons, which is a local electronics and custom shop here in Atlanta, coming to pick up the Wraith. He's going to install some BlackVue Dash Cams for me. So I was chatting with him about what were the best options, and I think the BlackVue is going to be the best one for me. But I've been wanting to put a dash cam in at least the Wraith and maybe the other cars too. But I want to try that one out first, see how that goes. Maybe if I like it, put it in the rest of the cars, just for some safety and also for some fun. We'll see. Go down there and check it out, and I'll show you where we put it. So it's a bit of a wet but sunny day here in Atlanta. Emron's going to come down and do the work on the car and then drop it back off. So I can pay by electronic means, which I think every company should be able to do. But the plan is for him to then bring it back tomorrow. So it should be quick. So the plan I have is for him to install the BlackVue probably right behind this. The problem is the dot matrix here, that I can't go higher. I'd love to put it up here, but this would obscure view here. I think that we're going to end up putting it somewhere in this region. Maybe over here would be better. I'm not sure. I'll go with his recommendation, but there is a lot of space behind that rear view mirror, as you can see. I just want to make sure that I don't really see it. That's my preference. And the same thing on the outside, that it's not as visible. I think it would be a cool option to have the camera out of the rear. I'm just not sure we're going to do that. So we'll see what Emron says, but I think it'd be tough to get it in a spot where it doesn't obscure my view. But he's the expert. We'll ask him what he thinks, and we'll go from there. So one of the primary reasons why I wanted a dash cam is so I could see what was happening in and around my car when I'm not there. But also I didn't want to see it. When I'm driving it, obviously I don't need to know what's going on, but it will be running concurrently while driving, so I'll have that ability to look back on it if I need to. And Emron came by and also advised me on where he typically installs these units and where it's less obvious, one as a driver, but two also when you're looking at it from the outside. So Emron came to pick up the car and take it back to the Cartoon shop and assess where the best place might be to put the camera, and the plan was for him to call me back and FaceTime where the best spot might be. And when he did happen to FaceTime me back, I was already on a FaceTime call with some of the boys, but added him anyway.
All right, so I'm in the car.
Yeah.
Cool. And all right, you see your dot matrix?
Yeah.
I'm thinking, I know you want this thing to the right of this, but the cables go on the right side of the camera.
Yeah.
So I think that's the way to do it. I think that'll be custom enough.
I think that'll look good.
Tribunal, do we agree?
We don't really care about his car. You know, we have zero giving about his car. We think he should buy a real car, but you know, whatever. He likes sedans.
All right. Thanks, Emron.
Later, guys.
Appreciate it.
Bye.
So all went well with the install, and I got the car back. Mere days afterward, I captured what happened here. But that is for the next vlog.